HVAC. So there's a couple things that you guys can look for with heating and air. Outside the home always is the air conditioner, okay? We call that a compressor, a condenser, you can call it whatever you want, but outside is where basically the air conditioner is. We like to see them level, and if they're not, if they're like this and the pad is settled, basically what people do is go get 2 plastic pieces and they just take that air conditioner and they put it up and they put those pieces to make, doesn't look good, but you ever remember moving a refrigerator at some point? Everybody said keep it level, don't lay it down. Keep it, have you ever heard that for a compressor? Oil's mixed inside of a compressor and it can hurt it. So we like to see that thing level. Again, minor thing. Another thing that you guys, and this is about all you can do for HVAC, but if you were to look around the furnace, and the furnace is your heating element for the home, but if you were to look around it in the basement, in the cellar, wherever it might be, a closet, if you see rust anywhere, ask them how old it is. And if they don't know, just know that it might make the report, because rust obviously is something that we don't like to see around the furnace. And it could just be an easy fix. I don't know why I put this on here, so forgive me, but there's a pipe that comes off the water heater and we see them missing all the time, and it's just a pressure relief valve. It's a piece of plastic right there that comes down. I don't expect you guys to look for it. I don't even know why the heck I put this on here. But basically we want to see a pipe there that what it does is if that water tank gets over 220 degrees or the pressure inside of it gets too massive, it releases everything on the side of it before it blows up. These things have blown through homes. They have hurt people very bad. It has to have this on here for safety. So I don't expect you guys to look for it. Just know that if we don't see a little pipe coming off the side of it, we're going to mention it.
The pipe needs to go to the floor.
Pipe goes to the floor. We like to see it, again, we won't get too technical, we like to see it about yay high from the floor. And that's for, if it was the leak, there's something wrong with the water here, it probably needs replacing. It's a way for you to go, why is that puddle down there? It's releasing something. So it's got too much pressure, or there's other things that can happen to it too. So one thing I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about real quick is, I don't know if this will help you or not, but it helps me out all the time. So let's just say you have a list that comes up and they don't know anything. I don't know how old it is, I don't know how old it is, I don't know how old it is. There's a website that you guys can go to and find out exactly how old a water heater is. You can find out how old the furnace is, you can find out how old the air conditioner is, but you have to look at the tag on the side of the unit. And I mean, you can put in anything and it has the information that you guys need, which is kind of cool, because if you looked at something and it was 30 years old, you're probably going to know it's going to make the report, you know, that it's aged. So it's building-center.org. And I keep it on my phone. They don't have an app, but you know how you can add a website to it's cool. And what you want to look for is not the product number. You want to look for the serial number. Everything's by serial number. So look for the serial. This is what we see when we look at an air conditioner. This is what we see. 4214X74. There's no date in there. We have to go to the website to figure it out. Up top, so you want to look at the serial number. WL. This is a water heater. It's a Bradford White, which they're everywhere. W means 2020. I know, but it has all this on there if you guys ever wanted to just find out what it was.